Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you which financial institution is better between Sofi and Fidelity. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. Starting with Sofi, Sofi offers banking, investing, loans, and insurance all in one financial solution. There are no account fee for checking and saving accounts, helping you save money. It provides competitive interest rate on saving and cash management accounts, plus competitive loan rates to help browser reduce interest payments and pay off loans faster. Sofi also includes career coaching, financial planning, and exclusive events. However, Sofi operates mainly online with no physical branches, which may be a drawback. If you prefer in-person banking, its loan eligibility criteria are strict, which might limit access for some users. Now let's look at Fidelity. Fidelity offers a wide range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. It provides low-cost trading with no commissions on online stock and ETF trades, plus extensive search tools to help investors make informed decisions. Fidelity also offers various retirement accounts like IRAs and is known for excellent customer service. However, the platform can be complex for beginners and some accounts or services may have fee depending on the investment type. Fidelity mainly focus on investment service with limited banking option. So, if you want all-in-one solution with comprehensive services and no account fee, Sofi is ideal, while Fidelity excels at extensive investment options, low-cost trading, and strong research tools. That's it.